In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Tradingview background color. Start by opening your chart in Tradingview. Any symbol, any time frame will do. Just make sure the chart is visible and you can see an empty area around the candles or price action. This is what Tradingview calls the canvas. Next, open the settings. You can do this in two simple ways. Either click on an empty part of the chart and choose Settings from the menu that appears, or click the gear icon in the top right corner of the chart. If you are right-clicking and don't see settings, try clicking on a spot that isn't on a candle, indicator, or drawing an open patch of the chart works best. In the Settings window, look to the left-hand side and select the Canvas tab. This is where Tradingview keeps the options that control the overall look of the chart's backdrop. It's separate from things like symbol styles or indicator properties, so you are in the right place if your goal is to change how the chart area itself looks. Now, find the background section. Click the color box to open the color picker. Here, you can choose a solid color if you want a clean, uniform look, or switch to a gradient for a more subtle transition across the chart. As you experiment, keep an eye on how your candles, grid lines, and indicators appear against the new background. Darker backgrounds often reduce glare and can make bright candles pop, while lighter backgrounds can feel airy and are great for print-friendly screenshots. Gradients should be gentle. Too much contrast can distract your eye from price. The nice thing is that Tradingview updates the preview in real time, so you'll immediately see how your choice affects the chart. Once you are happy with the color, you don't need to hit a special save button. Tradingview applies your changes automatically. To finish up and get back to your analysis, simply click OK to close the settings window. If you change your mind later, just repeat these steps and pick a different color. Nothing is permanent. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.